This is the most important movie ever made about xrp+ripple. Lawyers say the case between Ripple and the SEC might be over this month. xrp+ripple could also go up in price to $305. That's pretty cool, right? This is too important to miss. That's crazy. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. Nota bene, people who use XRP, who are sometimes called the XRP army, are still worried about the ongoing legal fight between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission. They are nervously waiting for a possible decision on punishments and remedies. There have been no regular filings in 61 days, and rumors are flying around the town at full speed. On social media, members like Crypto Hitman have been wondering if the decision could come as soon as this week. They have tagged well-known pro-XRP lawyers like Jeremy Hogan, Bill Morgan, Johnny Deaton, and James Murphy, and Fred, one of the most well-known lawyers in the XRP community, made an interesting prediction in response to the rumors. He said, "The earliest I can see it happening is Friday, which is the day before the anniversary of the summary judgment ruling. I'm still betting that it will happen by the end of July." This comment shows how excited people are about the case, especially since it's almost been a year since a key decision. Bill Morgan, another expert who supports XRP, added more confusion to the process by bringing up different laws. He said that Judge Sarah Netburn needs to make a decision on a move before Judge Annalisa Torres can decide on punishments and remedies. Morgan's question: isn't there a motion before Judge Netburn that needs to be decided first? Only then can Judge Torres decide on the fines. Led to more discussion. Risk Polly made it clear, yes, that motion is still open, but there is no legal requirement that it must be ruled on first. They could talk to each other. And Torres could tell Netburn that her decision is no longer needed because there is no need to rule on the expert in discovery problem. This conversation shows how complicated the procedures can be, which could affect when the decision is made. News site Bitcoinist reported that Rispoli had earlier said that the ruling might happen on July 31st. He also thought that a decision might come out as early as July 13th, which is the date of the 2023 summary judgment. Judge Torres's previous decision, which said that XRP is not a security, was a big win for Ripple because it went against what the SEC said. The XRP community is still waiting with bated breath. Both Ripple and XRP will be affected by the result of this court case. It could also set a standard for how cryptocurrencies are regulated in the US. What the court decides could make it clearer how far the SEC can regulate and have an effect on the crypto market as a whole. As the possible times for a decision get closer, everyone in the XRP army and the legal community will no doubt talk and guess more. The real surprise, though, is how much people are talking about xrp+ripple. Right now, experts are going crazy, saying that xrp+ripple will grow a huge amount. Trust me, this is not something you are ready for. You'll be amazed. This feeling is nicely summed up in Ito Farina's tweet. It's like getting a house in Manhattan in the 1800s when you buy XRP in 2024. This comparison shows how much promise people see in the future of XRP. In the same way, King Karen gets people excited with a message that is simple but strong. I hope everyone is ready. Jack the Rippler predicts that XRP is getting ready for a parabolic pump, which means that a rapid growth phase is coming soon. The community's unflinching faith is shown even more in the XRP Avengers call to action. If you're sure about XRP, retweet this. To back up these optimistic views, TradingView chartist Heike Ashi recently did some research that makes it look like XRP could be about to go on a big bull run that could take it to $305 by 2026. This guess comes from seeing similarities between the current monthly patterns of XRP's candlesticks and patterns seen in the past that came before big price rises. Even though XRP's current performance isn't looking good, prices have hit lows not seen in over a year. Ashi's research points out some possible reasons to be hopeful. He says that the current path of XRP is similar to trends seen in the past that were followed by big price jumps. Ashi's opinion is based on how XRP has behaved in the past over a month. He named two specific examples of long-lasting price drops that were followed by big price increases. The first time happened between 2014 and 2015. In the middle of 2014, XRP's price started with 2 leading zeros and fell to less than a cent. By early 2015, it had risen tenfold to about 2 cents. Between 2016 and 2017, the same trend showed up. XRP's price went up for a short time after dealing with 2 leading zeros again. It then went through a huge jump in the last 3 months of 2017. On the monthly chart, between XRP's low point in 2014 and its following high point before the 2017 drop, Ashi's chart shows the formation of a symmetrical triangle. This triangle came before the sharp price rise that took XRP to its all-time high of $3.84 in January 2018, a huge increase of over 75,000%. After its high point in 2018, XRP went into a downward trend that ended with a low of 14 cents in early 2020. During the 2021 bull run, there was a short-term rebound. In April, XRP reached almost $2. Following the downward market, the price dropped to around 30 cents by late 2020. On a more interesting note, XRP's monthly chart shows another symmetrical triangle between the lows of 2020 and 2023, with the price rise of 2020-21 at the top. Ashi says that this trend that keeps happening means that there could be another big price increase. Based on Ashi's research, the current chart shows a mirror image of the price surge in 2017. By putting the price change in 2017 on top of XRP's current trend, he thinks it could go up to $305 by 2026. This prediction means that XRP will grow by an amazing 71,000%. It is expected that the price raise will happen gradually, in the first phase. Prices are expected to rise to $1.20 and $2, which will set the stage for another rise to $6 and $16 before hitting the final goal of $3.05. With such big forecasts and the ongoing legal drama, it's easy to feel the excitement around XRP. The community's faith in technical studies like Ashi show that XRP might be about to start a historic bull run. It would be wrong not to talk about whales at this point. Recently, they've been surprising people who use XRP. There are huge signs that the market is going up behind the scenes, but not many people are talking about them. You can't miss this, though. You'll be shocked. Whale activity has been very high, with huge trades that could be signs of strategic moves that could change the direction of the XRP market. For example, a whale recently moved over 37 million XRP, which is about 16 million Bitcoin, from an anonymous wallet to the well-known cryptocurrency market Bitstamp. Blockchain tracker Whale Alert reported this important transfer at a crucial time as the Ripple vs. SEC case draws to a close. Who are these whales, though, and why does what they do matter? When it comes to cryptocurrencies, whales are people or businesses that hold a lot of a certain coin. The large amounts of assets they own give them the power to change market prices by buying and selling. When whales do big things, like sending a lot of XRP to platforms, it can mean that the market is about to change. Whales could try to control the market by placing coordinated big buy or sell orders to cause price changes that are good for their positions. For instance, a whale might sell a lot of XRP, which would cause the price to drop, and then buy it back at a lower price, which would increase their shares. On the other hand, getting a lot of something can make the price go up, making people feel optimistic. When it comes to XRP, whale activity has recently shown signs of hope. The big move to Bitstamp could be a sign of bigger changes to come in the market, or it could mean that whales are getting ready for a price spike they think is coming. Analysts like Hike and Ashi are optimistic and think that XRP's value will go up a lot. This behavior fits with their expectations. For XRP, what whales do is very important. They not only provide liquidity, but they also have an effect on how the market feels and how stable prices are. As the legal battle with the SEC hits a turning point, the whales' moves could make any market responses to the court's decision stronger. Their actions may be laying the groundwork for the possible bullish run that experts have predicted. This makes it even more important for investors to keep up with whale moves. And now the only question is, what do you think about that? What do you think about the XRP Ripple token? What do you think will happen? Please tell me in the comments. Would be interested to know. This video has now come to an end. Thanks for seeing it. Please click the like button if you liked the information and thought it was helpful. Say what you think or ask a question in the comments. Most importantly, don't forget to sign up.